Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're here, we're in our apartment. Let's have a little show you around quickly before we head out. So this is Cemal Bey Studios. And yeah, they've upgraded us. Lovely people. We've got a balcony outside, a bit dark, so maybe I'll show you tomorrow, but it's just a balcony, you know. We've all seen a balcony before. Oh, there's Sabrina doing selfies in the kitchen. Shame she hasn't had to work it. But yeah, get yourself a nice aircon in each room. Kitchen, we've already had our dominoes that you guys knew that we brought anyway. Got a washing machine. Washing machine was in the other room, but they upgraded us, like I said. So, and you've got another little balcony outside here where you can do your drying of your clothes. I'm guessing these might be 2 sofa beds. I've no idea. We don't use them. And then yeah, you have a lovely bathroom. So yeah guys, let's head out and see what Alanya is saying at night time. So there is a lift, but we're not using it. Sabrina looking pretty. So yeah, come out. Luckily for me, when I lost Sabrina, I can go straight into the VIP club.
I picked the hotel, so I can't even blame him for the location.
No. Another hotel right next door. Oh no, it's not a hotel. Don't know what that is. It's for the ladies, say. So let's go see. So we're staying down near the harbour. We've had a bit of food, we said that already. We had our pizza. Let's go. There's football on in there. So, well, it's not Christmas lights. Looks very Christmassy. Yeah. Turkey symbol on it. Yeah, I noticed the glasses are all €5. But just be careful when you're crossing, Sabrina.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go and have a little look. Dotto. Very nice. Did you bring the flashlight?
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's in my bag, yeah. You can see the lights go ooh, down the street. It's quite cool.
To be fair, you can feel that humidness in the air, can't
Yeah, it's very humid at the moment. As I said in another video, there is no give a crap about where you drive your motorbikes. It's going real fast down there as well. Puppy. I don't think that will come up at night, but that's up the castle. Little dominoes across the road. We're walking quite fast for some reason.
you? You always do.
I always say we've got to slow it down, but we never slow down. So you've got the sparkling Burger King.
Yeah,
And the whole place looks like it's been getting ready for Christmas. We've got wild to Christmas.
Birthday and Halloween first.
Sabrina's birthday, so if any of you guys want to send her a present, we haven't got an address for you, so we just accept donations.
Subscribe would be a great one if you're not already.
Subscribe, she says, for her birthday. Just make sure you're subscribed. She's a cheapskate. She wants you to be a patron. Become a patron of the channel. We haven't got one patron yet. Waiting for our first patron. We'll start adding some videos for the patron. There's a roof terrace up top there.
We've also got merchandise out now, so if you do want to buy any of our t-shirts, jumpers, bags, everything, we have got a link to our shop and the channel and all of our socials.
So we are in the process of getting the lovely Jess to do us some amazing artwork for some t-shirts, but that won't be ready for quite a while, and I'm going to do a limited run of that, so that won't be up on the main shop for quite a while. That'll be on limited.
We met Jess and Sam on the road, Faliraki Road, isn't it?
Faliraki Road, we met Jess and Sam.
So if you want to check that out, have a look. It's on the
Yeah,
channel.
we did at George's £20 all you can drink 2 hours challenge, and yeah, we got very messy. It was a brilliant night.
And also, whilst we're reminding people, this will probably come out too late, but the early bird tickets for Mazza ends on the 1st of October. Obviously, you can still buy tickets after that, but the early bird tickets does start on the 1st.
So it will be too late. This won't be out till well after, probably. So you've got the old statue here. I do like the statues out here. We've got quite a lot at home, but we've got quite a lot here as well. Get in the comments, let us know the significance of these statues. So let's head down over where the glitzy sparklers and lights are. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, ring the notification button for keeping up to date with all of our videos, so you never miss one video. Because why would you want to, eh? And like I said, if you want to become a patron and support us, that'd be amazing. Become our first patron. We'll mention you in every single video. We'd mention you. You'd be on the credits. There'll be a free t-shirt. We'll get you a free t-shirt whenever they all drop. The exclusive ones.
And we also have always some extra footage and sort of never seen before, which you'll get.
We will
access
be
to
adding
as
to
well.
the Patreon page. We are going to start adding up all of the nighttime footage without any edits. Well, there might be edits, but there won't be any music over the top, so you better hear and see everything that goes on. But yeah, what's this? 1 Plus. Doesn't say the name. It just says hotel on it. No idea. But it's just downstairs of the hotel. But yeah, all of our night footage I'm going to start uploading to that. I've got some footage that I never uploaded from. Where was we? No. Well, I've got our footage from Albufeira that we would be uploading to it as well, without any music on it. Because obviously all the copyright stuff, it doesn't matter for the patrons. So you can become a patron on YouTube as a member, or you can actually join our Patreon page. It's up to you guys how you like it, but look at this place here. Happy hour, buy one get one free, and free Wi-Fi. Can you believe it? So, what's this one? Fox. So we're going to do, we're going to have a good walk down here.
Yeah, and then we'll see what the best place is.
Yeah. Because these are like people having their meals still. Not really like a bar.
Same for across the road.
Yeah. And there's, thank you. Not right now, but thank you. I know, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, Mimo's. Thing is that I don't want to go to a restaurant and have a beer when I go to a bar and have a beer. So Mimo's across there.
Really pretty with the lanterns.
Yeah. And then I can't read it, but I guess that says Alanya. Yeah, check out the lanterns down there. And these ones up here. Let's walk down here first anyway. Let's have a little look. Yeah. All your football tops. Yeah.
A little trip.
Okay, this is a lot of side streets. This is like the shopping road.
More during the day, don't we?
Yeah, we have to come back tomorrow morning. Have a little walk down there. But yeah, a lot of clothes, £10 tops. Bars are down the side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you down there and I'll have a new video for down near the bars. So yeah, Model Hub. We've got Beckham up there, the old Real Madrid tops. LA? LA, oh, okay, look at the little lanterns down that one as well. We'll come back there.
Nice, yeah.
I'll show you that on the next one.
Down on the side street, so I was like, I'm not.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, mate, thank you. So yeah, okay, so a lot of the side streets as well, the bars are off this little road.
I feel like we covered so much today, haven't we?
Yeah, we did a big walk down the road. We'll just come back.
Thank you. Had a really long travel day. You've done Antalya Old Town today.
Sabrina's just saying thank you to anyone for no reason. People not even speaking to us and she's just saying thank you. Just being all polite in that. For no reason. But guys, yeah, thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe, like and share. And we'll catch you on the next one.